Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're fine. So viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Fun with Memes. Today I have a very beautiful and stylish pebble art decoration ideas for family. It is very gorgeous and amazing ideas. You can see it. You can see more videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you like it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You can see it is very beautiful. Different stones art, rocks art, pebble painting, pebble art for family, kids and etc. So please full watch my video. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.